Being a babysitter can be tricky when it comes to meal etiquette. Let me share what happened during my recent babysitting gig. The family ordered pizza for dinner and left cash on the table for me to pay. While watching two boys, we got a large cheese pizza with breadsticks delivered. Since I was there during dinner time and responsible for serving the meal, I naturally assumed it would be okay to have a small portion. After the kids finished eating and were satisfied, I had 2 slices of pizza and 1 breadstick. Everything seemed perfectly normal until the parents came home. When they asked about the evening, I casually mentioned that the pizza place they ordered from was really good, as I'd never tried it before. That's when things got awkward. The mom looked confused and questioned why I ate their dinner. The dad seemed upset and firmly stated they hadn't expected to feed me. They made it clear that I shouldn't have touched their family's food. I was always taught that babysitters could have a reasonable portion of dinner if they're serving the meal to the kids.